Good morning. So we are the group JARP. JARP stands for Jex, Alex, Robert, and PENUEL. So we are here to discuss you some of the function of Microsoft Word. So let's start.
Good day, class. I will teach you how to insert citation, bibliography, and collaborate using MS Word. So, as you can see, there's a basketball article or report, and first thing to do is insert citation. First, you will go to reference, then click the insert citation and add new source. Then you will create source and you will choose what type of source that you want. Then I will select report. Then the author of the article or report, Mark Lee. Title PBA. And the year 2021. And publisher of the article is spin.ph and city Manila, then select OK. And second is add another citation. You will type the author, for example Alex Cruz, then title MPBL, then select year 2021, and the publisher of the article is spin.ph, then city Subic, then select OK. And second is how to bibliography, and you will go to reference, then select the bibliography, then choose the three ways of bibliography. First is bibliography, second reference, third work site. Then I will choose the bibliography. Then as you can see, there's a master list of bibliography. Then you will see the master list and of course the current list of the source of manager, then close. And lastly is how to collaborate using MS Word. So you will go to file, then click share, and there's a 4 ways of collaborate or share. First is share with people. You can share your document to another people or more. And second is email. You will get the document through email. And third is present email, and you will present your online documents. And last is post to blog. You can create a blog using the current document and you can share the blog. And that's all.
Good day guys. So in this video, I'll show you how to add video on Microsoft Word. So first, go to Object, choose Create from File, then browse the file that you want to put in Microsoft Word. Then click Insert, and then OK. To open the file, double click the icon, then select Open. So that's how you put a video on the Microsoft Word. Thank you.
Good day guys, now I'm going to show you how to insert or add audio file in Microsoft Word. First, go to the Insert tab, Select Object, then choose Create from File and browse the audio file that you want to insert. Click Insert and then click OK. If you want to play the audio, double-click the icon and click Open. That's how insert audio file in Microsoft Word. Thank you.
So hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you on how to perform calculation without a table and inserting date and time that changes automatically. So first, performing calculations. So first, Control F9, the shortcut for that, and then put equals at the start and put the formula that you want to calculate. So if for example 9 times 9 and right click, update field, and it will display the answer. And another one, let's try it again. Control F9 and then equals 10 plus 5 and right click again and update field, and that's it. And the next one is inserting date and time in Msword. All you have to do is press Alt Shift and D for the date and then Alt Shift and T for the time. So if you want to update this, you just have to click and then click this update, and that's it. That is how you do it. Thank you.
Good day class, I will teach you how to create a pivot table using Excel. Take note class, you will not able to create a pivot table if your spreadsheet is empty. So I will go to Insert, then select Pivot Table and create Pivot Table. Choose the data that you want to analyze, then it's okay, and choose where you want to pivot table report to be placed. Then I choose the new worksheet, then select OK. Then in the right side, you will see the pivot table fields. Then as you can see, there's a dragging areas, filters, columns, rows, and values. So I'm gonna drag this bronze to rows. Then as you can see, the rows of bronze, and I will drag this value, the count of all of shoes, and last is price, and you will see the total of the price of the all shoes. And pivot table is to summarize our worksheet, and you will create a pivot table, then you will insert the chart that you want. For example, this I would like the line, then select OK, then arrange this chart. Then as you can see, the highest price of is LeBron or Nike, and that's all. You can have a pivot table.
Advanced transpose. To transpose your work, highlight the block of text, right click and copy it. Pick your location, paste special, then check transpose. But the problem is, when you make changes, it will not be reflected to the new location. So how are you gonna make it live? So there's a simple way to do it. All you need to do is Pick your location, highlight the rows and column. Don't click anywhere, just type equal transpose. Highlight the table. Instead of press enter, just shift control enter and it will display the transpose. So I'm gonna change it to 6 and it will change it to 6. So that's how you transpose your work.
Did you know you could take a spreadsheet table and insert into Word documents and it updates automatically? The key is make sure you close your spreadsheet, open up Word, go to the Insert tab, and select Text Insert Object. Choose Create from File, then browse the file that you want to insert. Make sure check the link to file and click OK. That insert your spreadsheet. Now go back to our spreadsheet. I'm going to change from 17 to 18. I'm going to add total at the bottom. And save that. Close your spreadsheet again. Go to the Word again. If you right click the table, click Update Link. And it updates your spreadsheet, and that's embedded.
So today, I'm going to show you how to encrypt your document with a password. So first, open your document and choose a document that is already done. For example, this one. You just have to go to File tab and then go to Info and then select Protect Workbook. And then here you can see the encrypt with password. You just have to click it and then put the password that you want. For example, JARP, JARP. Okay, and then re-enter JARP. And that's it. So to know if it is working, let's close this one. And then let's open the Excel again. Then let's select the file. And there you go. There's a password. Let's put the password. JARP. That is how to create the password on your Excel document.